EpiDerm is a normal human cell-derived reconstructed in vitro model of the human epidermis developed by the MatTek Corporation. The ECVAM validated EpiDerm Skin Irritation test protocol replaces traditional animal-based testing of products such as cosmetic raw materials and industrial agents that will come in contact with human skin. This test begins on day 0 when the skin irritation kit and epiderm tissue arrives in the lab and is subsequently preconditioned in assay medium. Following an overnight incubation on day 1, the apical surface of the epiderm tissue is exposed for 1 hour with a putative irritant compound, and then the irritant is removed with a washing step. On day 2, after a 24-hour incubation, the culture insert is placed in fresh media, and the old media can be used for analysis of released cytokines and chemokines. The tissue is reacted with a compound known as MTT, which is converted by mitochondrial reductases to a dark purple formazan salt, providing a readout for cell viability. A lack of dark purple color in the sample is an indicator of decreased viability, and when the colorimetric readout for a test compound is less than 50% of negative controls, the test compound can be classified as an irritant.
Hi, I am Helena Kandárová from MatTek Corporation. Today we will show you procedure for in vitro skin irritation testing using reconstructed human skin model EpiDerm. This procedure, depending on regulatory requirements, can be used as full or partial replacement of in vivo rabbit skin irritation test. This new in vitro procedure can be used for hazard identification.